Hi and welcome to Login Positivity. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we're going to see about facial steamer, how to use it, benefits of it, and do's and don'ts of it. Regular facials with steam are the wonderful skincare treatments that promotes deep cleansing of pores. Because when you do facial steaming, it opens up the pores and it removes all the dirt which reminds of the makeup and other debris in the skin, which also increases the blood circulation to the skin while improving that overall glowing complexion. And now let's get into the video to see how to use the facial steamer effectively in order to get that glowing skin. I'm using Dr. Trust 3-in-1 facial steamer. It has rotatory switch with 3 controls: warm towel, facial steamer and humidifier. At the back it has got a water tank. Pull up the water tank from the main unit and fill it up with water and then put it back to the unit. Plug in the device into the power outlet. The light around the switch will turn to blue. The steam is released after about 1 minute. Keep your face at least 25 cm away from the nozzle. To ensure that the steam covers your entire face, direct the steam to the top of your chin. It is important that your skin be cleaned when you steam it. Steaming your face leaves your pores wide open. This is the best time to try and draw out as much dirt and impurities as possible. Using a clay mask just after the steam treatment is the best way to achieve this. Apply the mask on your face and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. If you don't have a clay mask, just substitute it with oatmeal and honey. If you're not interested in doing the mask, simply wash your face with normal water. During the steaming process, I have stopped after 3 minutes and applying face mask. Thus, it will penetrate the skin deeper and allowing the effects of the mask to promote healthy and glowing skin. Once you have rinsed the face mask away, use a toner to close your pores. I have taken a quarter cup of water with 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Steam and heat cause the skin to dry out. It's important to follow the treatment with a good moisturizer. So do not forget to apply the moisturizer. And now let's see the benefits of facial steamer. The first one, it helps you to relax. More than anything, a good facial steamer helps you to relax and feel better, which in turn provides you with healthy skin. And the next one, it hydrates your skin. Needless to say, this facial steamer helps you to hydrate your skin, trapping the moisture that the steam provides. And the next one is it removes blackheads. The steam softens the blackheads and whiteheads that deposits in the pores near your nose and the chin, which are often difficult to get rid of. But it's easier post a facial steaming session. And the next, it removes the dirt and dead skin cells. The steam helps to remove the dirt and dead skin cells, and thus it rejuvenates our skin and bringing back its natural condition. And next, it helps with sinus. Anyone who faces sinus would know how difficult it is to breathe, but the steam helps you to breathe better by reducing the inflammation and providing the relief. For further relief, you can also add essential oils. One of the many benefits of using facial steamer is that's helpful in anti-aging process, giving your face a proper moisturizing that it needs, keeping your fine lines and wrinkles at bay. And now let's see the do's of the facial steaming process. Clean your facial steamer after each and every use. Keep the hygiene in check in order to avoid the disruptive elements coming in contact with your face. In the second one, post-steaming session, to keep your skin hydrated for a longer period, it's always advisable to apply some moisturizer. Remove any makeup you might have on your skin before the steaming in order to get the best results. While using the facial steamer, keep your face away from the steamer nozzle, minimum of 25 cm, in order to avoid rashes or burning sensation. Don't use tap water, it may contain chemicals which harm your skin rather than benefiting it. Don't use the steaming procedure excessively, restrict the procedure to thrice a month. If you have skin troubles or undergoing any skin treatment, it's always better to consult a doctor before using the steaming process. Many good steamers are available in the market starting from the range of $250. If you'd like to purchase any of the product, I'll just put the link in the description box. Do check it out. If you like the video, just hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do subscribe and click on the bell button to get notified. Have a great day ahead.